In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more fonts to Google Docs. If you've ever opened a document and felt limited by the default font choices, this guide is for you. Google Docs actually gives you access to a much larger library of fonts. They're just not all visible by default. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find them and how to add them so you can customize your documents with the style you want. First, open any document in Google Docs. This can be a new blank document or an existing one. It doesn't matter. Once it's open, look at the toolbar at the top of the page. You'll see the current font name displayed there, usually something like Arial or another standard font. Click on the font name to open the font menu. A long list of fonts will appear, but this is only a small portion of what's available. To see more, go to the very top of that list and look for the option that says More Fonts. Click on that. A new window will pop up showing the full Google Fonts library that you can use in Docs. On the left, you'll see different categories and filters. At the top, you can sort fonts by options like popularity, alphabetical order, or what's been recently added. On the right, you'll see a search bar where you can type a font name if you already know what you're looking for. Take a moment to browse through the list. As you scroll, you'll notice that each font name is shown using its own style, which makes it easier to see what it looks like at a glance. When you find a font you want to add, simply click on its name. A check mark will appear next to it, and it will be added to your personal font list. You can select as many fonts as you like. If you change your mind, click the font name again to remove the check mark and it will not be added. On the right side of the window, you'll see a list of all the fonts you've chosen so far, which is helpful if you're adding several at once. When you're done selecting, click the OK or Done button at the bottom of the window. The pop-up will close, and you'll be taken back to your document. Now, when you open the font menu again, you'll see all the new fonts you just added. From here, highlight any text in your document and choose one of your new fonts from the list. The text will update instantly, so you can quickly try different styles and see what works best. If a font doesn't look how you expected, just select another one from your expanded list. And that's all you need to do to add more fonts to Google Docs and give your documents a more personalized, professional, or creative look.